You singing? Oh, that was cute.
Singing.
Yeah. Oh, you want a green one? Okay. Wheat and trail mix. If anyone wants a green one. All right.
Almost done, Daddy. Get in that truck.
Okay. Oh, buddy, are you ready? It's not a picture. It's
Oh,
video.
you're taking a picture.
I love doing that.
The hell? That's mean.
Skipping. Skip, Daddy, skip. Go ahead, skip.
Mommy, way up! Hey, Mommy!
Can you say Devil's Tower?
Devil's Tower.
That's where we are. Awesome. Really cool. Thank you to everybody who told us to come check this out. Mike, our friends that we met in the Badlands that said, go stop and see this. Really awesome. You gotta come see this. We came right at golden hour, right at sunset, and it was like the perfect time to come here and see this thing. It was really, really cool. And we're gonna go camp right down the bottom where we can see this thing, right?
Bo's running. Okay.
Who's your puppy? Is Bo running? Where are we camping at, Bo? Check it out. Tonight's campsite. Another one that wasn't like really originally on our list, but multiple people told us to come and see this because we were going to be somewhat near it. My friend Mike, my friend Brittany, thank you guys. Other people we bumped into along our travels too said you should stop and see it. It's really cool. We did. We came in last night. Yesterday evening we came in right at golden hour. Finally the smoke is cleared, as you can see, some blue sky behind us, which is kind of rare. It hasn't been like this for the past few days. So it was beautiful last night. We'll show you some pictures, some footage from that. But really cool. We parked, so right at the base basically of the monument, there is a parking lot where you can camp. Yeah, obviously it's dry camping right now, but there is potable water. There is public restrooms that are open. There's picnic tables. I mean, it's perfect, really. It was very cold last night. It got down to like 37 degrees last night, and our battery in the camper died, which meant our heater died. So we woke up at 3. We woke up at like 3 in the morning, and it was freezing in the camper. So we had to get up at 3 a.m. We had to pull the generator out, hook up the generator at like 3:15 a.m. to get the rig going so that we could have some heat, because it was freezing and Flynn was in there and it was getting cold. So that was fun. That was, that was an experience.
Bo loved it.
Bo loved it. Yeah,
Yep.
The colder the better for this guy. But anyway, so this is our stop at Devil's Tower. It's really cool, guys. Really cool to check out. It's cool to check out the kind of the history around here and the ties to the different Indian, what am I thinking of?
Rituals?
Yeah, there's rituals here, and then the tribes, right? The different tribes that are tied to this monument and stuff. It's really cool to check out, and how they think this thing was formed, which it doesn't sound like it's 100% clear how this thing was formed, but they do know it's magma, right?
I believe so.
Yeah. It's pretty majestic. Is that a good description for this thing? It's kind of majestic, right? Yeah, I like it. Really, really cool. And where you see us parked right now is literally where we camped last night. So it was pretty cool to open up the tent beds and look out and see this thing this morning. But we got some cool night shots too, right?
Yes. Oh my God, the stars here. Because there's little to no light pollution.
Yeah.
The stars are insane, and you get a 180-degree view.
Yeah.
In all directions.
Yeah.
So it was pretty cool.
Yeah. So we took some photos. I'll show you guys that. And I'm a total amateur when it comes to photography and video, probably as you can see. But Kara helped me out, and we figured out how to take some really cool night shots last night of the stars, because the stars here were just crazy. I mean, we've seen some really cool stars up in like the Northeast mountains at night when it's really cold, and they're pretty cool to see there. Here it was, I mean, you could see the Milky Way like clear as day, right? And like Kara said, it was just such an open area. You could see such a big span of stars. It was really cool. And then I took some shots. You could kind of see the silhouette of Devil's Tower in the background with the stars around it. It was a super clear, cold night, so it was actually perfect sleeping under the stars here. So anyway, we'll show you what that looked like and hopefully enjoy. And what's our next stop?
Grand Tetons.
Grand Tetons. We're going to the Tetons.
Du Boise, Wyoming, jackalope country.
Yeah, jackalope country. We made our way from Devil's Tower. We stayed last night halfway at that horse farm, and now we are we're coming into the Tetons. We're not in yet. We're about an hour out of the campground that we're going to stay at tonight, which is right out of Jackson. So we're coming in. It is not flat anymore. There is a lot of mountains around now. Out of all the places to stop, if you know Kara, I picked the best one. World's largest jackalope exhibit. She is terrified of jackalopes. We gotta go inside. They even got a big, like, fiberglass one out front. Look at this. Poor Kara. She hates these things. What do you think, Bo? Mommy don't like the jackalopes.
If there was ever time to get over my fear, it's now, because there are jackalopes everywhere.
So this is just a gas stop. Kara has been terrified of jackalopes her entire life. And we'll let you just take a peek around.
There you go. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Kara, you gotta sit on it. Come on. What better way to break your fears than jumping on the biggest jackalope ever? You can do this. Jackalopes are real. There's proof. This is like a taxidermy jackalope. A big one. I didn't know jackalopes got so big. Did you know that, Flinny? Have you ever seen a jackalope that big?
What is this made out of?
What do you mean? It's a jackalope. Kara thinks jackalopes aren't real. Go ask the owner of this gas station. Lenny! You on the jackalope? Are you riding it?
I'm falling.
You're not falling. Y'all, we are pulling into Grand Teton National Park.
I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, you can see the mountains, just like the silhouettes of them in the distance because it's a little hazy. And it looks not even real. It looks fake, honestly.
Yeah.
It looks crazy.
It looks like it's just like a backdrop and
Yeah. I mean,
you're like, oh, that's not there.
Nuts. Oh, wait,
It's just
hold
a
on.
backdrop. Yeah, this person's like, why is it
How you doing? We do. All right.
There it is.
Yeah,
Sure.
why don't you give us one? Thank you so much. We'll just hop in the camper. We're gonna disperse around here tonight so that we can hit Coulter Bay first thing in the morning and try to grab a spot, and we'll see what comes out, right? We'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get a spot. It's gonna be a little chilly tonight, and I'm not sure where we're going right now, but we're gonna find somewhere cool to camp, right?
Yep.
Okay, so Alright, so we are dispersed. Just found a site. There is the Tetons. A little smoky, obviously, but you can see them. We're not that close, but we're close. And we just came up this forest road to some dispersed sites, and turns out this one had just opened up this morning and we snagged it. Kara's getting us chalked. We're gonna get detached. Bo's crying. I know, you poor thing. You poor thing. You poor thing, you're hanging in the mountains with mommy. You poor thing. I don't know how you do it. He's so tortured. Mountain puppy. You going to the grocery store?
Yep.
Okay. You bringing your blankie?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get at the grocery store?
Twinkies.
Blankies? What else?
Water.
Water. Okay. What else?
Fries.
You want to get French fries? All right. I'm okay with this. Put on your backpack. Good job, baby. All right, so French fries, blankets. What else?
Ice.
Ice. Okay. What else?
Eggs.
Eggs. Okay. Orange. Okay. Bring me back some steaks.
I love you too.
Oh, I love you too, baby. Have fun at the grocery store.
I found a grocery store.
You going in the water?
Way down the water.
Oh, Flinny. Isn't it cold? Is it cold? You just sit down in the water? Yeah? Is it cold?